Hey guys, so in this question we have been asked to differentiate this function which is d by dx of log of cos x. Now in this case we also have two functions. One of the function is log x and the other function is cos x. There are two functions here, so we'll have to apply chain rule once again. So d by dx of log x is 1 over x, but in this case the x is cos x. So d by dx of log of cos x would be 1 upon cos x, and now we'll have to differentiate this cos x once again because this is a function in function question and we have to apply chain rule. So times it would be d by dx of cos x, and the differentiation of cos x is negative sin x, and in the denominator we have cos x already. So the final answer would come out to be negative 10x. Once you understand the concept of chain rule, it will be very easy for you to solve these questions. Like, you don't have to just think, you just apply this, which is 1 over cos x, and you'll directly, like, differentiation of cos x is negative sin x. You don't have to even write all this process. You'll just do everything in your mind here and it would be negative 10x.